Hey Petty fam, okay, I'm back again with the requested life update, mental health update, tour, new team, cooking with Queen. Let's get into it, y'all.
This is a little pre-video. Legend. He has now entered his terrible 2 stage, and this is not giving.
Not the baby. Not the one we were there for an announcement. I mean, not my boo-boo. Not him acting up. No, he alright.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queen. I am back with another video, and I'm saying it like I've really been on here, but I know I haven't, y'all. This is just going to be a life update video. I know y'all have missed me for so long, and I know YouTube has been super dry without your girl on here.
Okay. Am
I a YouTuber again? I don't know. I'm just showing y'all some footage. I'm not sure. But like I said, today is going to be like, well, tonight, because it's nighttime. Tonight is going to be a update, life update, slash cooking video, and I am making chicken and waffles. And the only reason why I'm cooking tonight is because I don't want this chicken to go bad. Because let me tell y'all, like, I was gonna cook last night and I literally got in bed and couldn't get out. Like, I felt so sick. Aww. And I'm still feeling really under the weather. But I decided to just, you know, make something good out of it and give you guys a video. I know the royal family haven't been posting, but like I said, that channel is under construction. But I'm still your same girl, Queen, you know what I'm saying? Right. Nail missing and all. So yeah, stay tuned for this video and hope you guys enjoy. Alright, y'all, so this is not really gonna be like a cooking instructional video, but before I get into my little life update and chit chat with y'all, I'm just gonna show you guys the ingredients. So this chicken was marinated overnight, I guess, because I didn't cook it, but so I guess that's a good thing. I'm just gonna show y'all the seasonings I use. I just went to Kroger, I bought a pack of fresh chicken, not frozen. So yeah, I use pink Himalayan salt. Sorry, okay, that's pink Himalayan salt. I use Prima Donna's Cajun seasoning. Make sure I go get y'all some Prima Donna's, okay? I use some garlic powder. Can never get enough of garlic powder.
Right.
Some black peppercorn, and this is the grinder kind that you gotta break up. I don't know why I like that one more. Onion powder. And I can never get over this Weber's chicken seasoning. I love using this on my chicken, but y'all, it's so good. And I use mustard. I hate mustard. I know it's weird. I use mustard to like, kind of like, you know, like
that's good to massage the chicken.
Gently sop it up a tad bit, just for the flavor and the crunch. For the waffles, all you need is just pancake mix. I'm just showing y'all the easy way. I'm not about to make it from scratch because I'm not a chef. I'm not a chef, I'm a singer. So I used to use flour, just regular flour, for my chicken to season it. I'm sorry, to bread it, but I started to get this chicken fry.
Comment below how y'all make y'all chicken, how y'all make y'all waffles, because I basically do the same thing, because why reinvent the wheel? Like, they made this whole thing complete for us, and I'm going to be putting all the ingredients together for what? Let me put it in a box. Nobody knows the difference.
I buy House Autry, and let me tell y'all, it's thebomb.com. Okay, I bought a deep fryer, so my kitchen don't get real messy, and I'm gonna just make a little egg wash or whatever, like a little wash to dip the chicken in before I dip in the before I bread the chicken. Okay, and
there you go. That's the way to do it.
Then I have a waffle maker. Y'all should know. You just mix this with some water and put it in a waffle maker. Go to a different YouTube video if you don't know. So let me do this. Let me get this done. All right, y'all. So as I am preparing this chicken, I'm gonna chit chat with y'all a little bit to let the time go by, and I'm gonna tell you some things about, well, just like I said, a life update, mental, career, home life, just because usually I'm on Twitter like tweeting up a storm.
Yeah, you just let us know in your time, girl. Don't be having nobody rush you to tell your life story. We still support you. We still love you, girl.
Or like I'm on Instagram posting pictures or whatever, or doing my story, but rarely even that, truthfully, nowadays, these days. But let's see, what's the first thing we can get into? Okay, so recently, y'all, I actually did a trip to LA, 2 trips to LA. The first one was really to just to get some juices flowing as far as like starting to create for my second album. And the
comment below if you excited about the second album. I can't wait, y'all.
First day was super like, it was super just like hard. I had to hop back into that bag because I haven't been really writing, or I haven't been in the studio at all unless it's like it's a feature or something. And then I do the feature and I go home. But the first day it was, you know, it was a little rough.
Y'all, it is so hard to cook with nails. Kudos to her, because I if I'm really gonna be cooking, I gotta like take my nails off. Comment below if y'all can cook with nails. I know there's some girls though, they be cooking with like 7-inch nails and no problem at all, but I gotta take my joints off.
But the second day it started going good. I probably, out of that trip, I probably made about maybe 5 or 6 songs, but I know for a fact I'm not gonna use them all. It was really to just get the juices flowing or whatever. There is like maybe 2 or 3 songs I really like. Oh, and the second trip was,
wait, hold on. Y'all know Queen needs to do, what she needs to do is have a whole EP or whatever of the unreleased tracks, because I know they wrong. Comment below if y'all agree.
For BT, y'all, as y'all know, I went to BT to do the pre-show, and I went and did a music video with Ty Dolla $ign to a song called Quickie, because that's one of my features I did. So with him and Hitmaker, I did a video, but I was also supposed to sing for the pre-show for BT, but that ended up not happening just because it wasn't my team, y'all. It was some technical difficulties that I found out afterwards that I just won't speak on, because, you know, I don't want to mix anything up. But just know, you know, everything happens I know that everything happens for a reason. I know that someday I will be on a bigger stage and I'll be performing, you know, I'll probably be on like the main stage someday. Yeah. That leads me to tell you guys about how I've been feeling about just my work ethic overall. When I was out there, I don't know why, but like I kind of came to the realization that all of this kind of just fell into my lap, truthfully. Like everything, all the music stuff, like this whole getting signed, it just fell into my lap so easily. It's like, y'all know, I put out medicine and then boom, like all of a sudden all these people are in all these labels are in my emails trying to sign me. Before that, y'all, I didn't have a consistent life of just music. Like it was once every blue moon I went and did something in the studio, like just for fun, or like,
I mean, it's a whirlwind of a whole new life, a whole new stage, a whole new platform, and you have a whole new family with kids, and you know what I'm saying, you gotta, it takes a lot of time to adjust to that. She's been doing good, but great, but it's, you know, it's a whole lifestyle change.
Y'all know I went on American Idol, but that was just like a very small moment in my life. I didn't start going on TV shows when I was super young and stuff like that, like how Aaliyah did, or how, you know, all the greats started when they were super young. Y'all know I just grew up singing in church, but not really like going to the Apollo and doing shows like that. I just grew up singing in church. So initially, like, I feel like I really wasn't prepared for this. And when I say prepared, I know God equipped.
And then I think a lot of the people, they do like talent shows and they like do the local circuit before they blow up, but she just plain blew up. I get it, girl.
Us with all the tools we need if he has a call on our life, and I do feel like I am supposed to be on a bigger platform. But as far as like prepared, I mean performance wise and all of that, like I still feel like, okay, I'm not new to the industry because I've been in here for a few years, but I'm new as an artist. Like I didn't really start being an artist until I got signed. I just kind of got pushed into it, and I had to really talk with someone. Like I had a heart-to-heart talk with Lee and like someone else, and you know, they were just telling me something that I already knew, that I realized is, since this all fell into my lap, I haven't really worked as hard. I haven't really worked as hard as I could have. I haven't reached my maximum potential because I already know, y'all, that I haven't worked hard.
But I think, you know, I think she has a long, successful career ahead of her. So, I mean, working hard, like, girl, you was pregnant and touring. That's working hard to me.
But
that's working
I mean, by working hard, like, I know I've succeeded in a lot of things, like, you know, getting ASCAP awards for writing and things like that. I know I have succeeded in ways, but I haven't succeeded at the maximum I could if I really work hard for it. And by meaning, I mean, by working hard for it, I mean, like, even when you're home on your off days, like throughout the weeks, going to like a movement coach or just doing your vocal exercises and warm-ups, like, it's like I haven't really stayed consistent enough with those things.
I think that we all can improve. You know, there's some things that we all can improve on, and it's good that she's noticing that and she has those goals. But she's doing well. You know, I think in all of our career is something that we could be doing better. But then, like, she's a mother. She's, you know what I'm saying? So it's, her timeline really isn't her own timeline. So we get it, Queen, but you are working hard. Y'all, just send some encouragement to her, because I know that's difficult to think that there's so much more that you could be doing, but she gonna get it. Long career. And
I know that if I do, you know what I'm saying, like, it could be like, the outcome could be crazy because I already have talent, and like I've already been so successful just with not working to my full potential. I sat down and I realized, like, which is the first thing you need to do to like make changes, like, you really have to, if you want to be great, you can't just take super long breaks from perfecting your craft. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I feel like she's talking to me. I feel like she's talking to Better Your Actions. We can't take super long breaks. We gotta get it, y'all. I mean, I'm getting inspired by this.
When a person, like a basketball player, I'm sure even off season, they still be out there playing and just practicing, you know, during off season, because you gotta be ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. You feel me? I'm at this point where there's a possible tour coming up, and I'm not sure yet. It's not 100% locked in, but there's a possible tour coming up, and I'm just like, yo, I need to bring my A game with these performances, because I know deep down inside, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love to stand on stage and sing, but I don't know, you know, I'm seeing all these people like with dancers and dancing in the background and just even dancing themselves. Now, y'all know, I feel like, I honestly feel like or maybe I'm not confident enough yet, but to really dance out there while singing, it's gonna take.
Y'all, but like on TikTok, she really be getting it. Like, I be like, go Queen. Like, when she's silly and she doesn't think about it, then she really can get it. She really be dancing really good. But when she think about it too much, but when she's being silly, she's dancing really good.
A very long time. I know I could achieve it, but I still feel like my next tour, I have to really, you know, the first one I was pregnant, I had time to sit down on my butt sometimes for like an intimate show, but I really this time want to put on a great show everywhere. And I know I put on a great show for all my supporters
right.
last tour in 2018, but I just realized that I need to perfect my craft and just work at it more and not really talk about it, just do it. You know what I'm saying? So
I feel you, girl.
There are some people that I will be adding to my team to help me achieve.
Hashtag just do it, and that's what we're doing, and that's why you know I'm solo here, because we just doing it. And when we're doing the duo thing and we get together, you know, beyond the whole COVID thing, then it's gonna be more out there. But we're just doing it right now, so bear with us, please.
What I need to achieve to become a better QUEENNAIJA. You know, I'm not trying to be like nobody else but myself. Now, let's talk about misunderstood.
Okay.
So, with misunderstood, y'all, my hands are so flowery. But with misunderstood, I feel like when it first came out, like it did #1 for R&B.
No, for real. Like when you're doing that egg wash, it is literally like a cast on your hand at this point. It really, like, sometimes I have to just stop and wash my hands off. I know it's gonna get dirty again, but I just have to, because I don't like that feeling. Ooh, I'm gonna fast forward it, y'all.
You have to pick and choose what you want to use your budget for. The videos that I picked were, I guess, the videos that made sense to use my budget for. But I am willing to go into my own pockets, y'all.
Oh,
and pay for y'all to have those videos. And not just for y'all, but for me. Like, I really want to serve y'all a very dope visual to I'm Her. And even songs from the deluxe, like Love Is deserves a video for sure. If y'all haven't listened to my deluxe album, then make sure I go listen so y'all can like maybe help me with some ideas.
CJ,
say what's up, CJ?
What's up?
Oh, guess what? A life update on CJ. Where'd you go today? What did you have?
I had to go try out my first grade school.
He had to go try out his first grade school. Really, it was a first grade screening. I guess the school that he's going to, since last year was such a crazy year, they want to make sure the students are like being placed in the right class because it was so crazy. But y'all know CJ was mainly homeschooled, so he's all set and ready, and I'm so glad. Don't worry, before we end this era out, before I even give y'all another album, I promise that I will make the most of Misunderstood. And I know it came out in 2020, y'all, but that's such a good album. I'm so sorry.
Girl, yes, that's such a good album. We need our things. Give us our things, queen. She know already.
It needs more. Y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is take the chicken that I breaded and put it into
setup,
the
like
grease, y'all. Into the deep fryer that I bought from.
She got the whole setup. When she said deep fryer, I'm thinking like, oh, okay, a little small deep fryer. No, she got the serious. She can get a food truck right now. Deep fryer.
That I bought from Target. Y'all know I love Target. They need to sponsor me at this point. Okay. Okay, look at that chicken. Tap on that and let it cook. Okay. So y'all, my pancake mix, I usually, / waffle mix, I usually put like cinnamon and stuff in it and syrup.
Cinnamon.
But cinnamon and syrup? You said cinnamon and syrup? I usually do that, but since this is just a regular waffle, I might just throw some syrup in there and brown sugar so it could be a little sweet.
Y'all hear it's Chef CJ.
Perfect sweet and saltiness for that chicken, you feel me? And then I'm gonna throw it over there in the waffle maker. This is the outcome of my deep fried crispy chicken.
Girl,
and
that chicken look good. Okay, Chef Queen.
Looks so golden brown and amazing.
Play with her.
Wait till we put some hot sauce on this, y'all. I'm not eating this, by the way. This is for Clarence and CJ. Late night entree.
No, I hate cooking for people and I don't eat it. I can't eat it. The smell alone. But she got her goals. So I feel you, girl. I do the same thing. But cooking for your family and you can't have none of it, take another willpower, another type of willpower, queen. But go ahead and get it, girl.
So let's get this waffle. So right now I have my waffle maker getting hot and I have my mix already poured in here. Y'all don't need to see all that because y'all know how it looks.
Yeah, we know.
It looks very satisfying. But as I was saying, giving you a life update, so let's talk about mental, health. I used to come on here and be super transparent with you guys, and I just realized that I need to take a step back from telling everybody everything just because, like,
yeah, sometimes you gotta be private, because sometimes, we as royal family, we care, but then other people just take stuff and twist it and run with it, and then like when you over that whole situation, then they bring it back up again, or they, bring it up for no reason. So I understand, girl.
Like, that's another reason why I really don't want to come back to my channel like that, because no matter what I tell y'all, whether it's good or bad, there are assumptions made from it and rumors that don't have to be made if I just didn't talk about anything. Like if I just completely didn't say anything, like nobody would have anything to talk about. And even if I don't say nothing, sometimes people still have things to talk about. But just for my mental health, I think it's better to stay a little bit like low-key. You need some medicine? Sounds like it. I realized that a lot of, like, I don't walk around sad all the time. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is that I feel like it's...
You human? That's what you're saying? You human. Humans have emotions. I feel you, girl. Everybody's not all happy-go-lucky, goofy all the time. Like, period.
A lot of reasons to why I react to situations, the way I react to, I guess, trying to prove things to people, trying to just, I don't know, like, I really don't know. All I know is there are a lot of things I feel like in my life that has happened that I really haven't really had the time to heal from. And I thought that I healed from it, but I never really tried a therapist and talked about it. And I am trying a therapist, y'all. I've been having therapy sessions.
That is great, queen. That's really good.
And like, therapy doesn't mean that you're like crazy or psychotic or like you out of your mind. Therapy is just really good, like a good therapist, really good for healing and just purging, you know what I'm saying?
And then working through situations as well. Absolutely.
One, talking to God, and two, talking to someone that God gifted with that gift, to help heal people, just to keep your mental health in check. Because living this kind of life, y'all, like, first of all, any kind of life, everybody go through something, everyone has a struggle, but living in this life, sometimes you just gotta learn to be like a little bit selfish. And when I say selfish, not in a bad way, but selfish with yourself, like taking time away from certain things, or just
self-care is crucial. Absolutely.
Things that you know is gonna like mess with your energy or mess with your mental. It's okay to be selfish sometimes.
You know what? I've told my friends and myself basically, like, you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot, like, when you're on the plane, they said put your air mask on before you put others' air mask on. So if you're not healthy and doing well, you can't really be there completely for other people. You got to get yourself together, and then you can be the best person for those other people you can be. That's good that she's thinking about that, though.
For yourself, so that you can get yourself right. I feel like I've been running kind of like all my life, like just like kind of doing things for people. And when I say doing things for people, I don't mean favors, those two, but doing things for others and not myself. You feel me? And it does not mean, ooh, look at this waffle, y'all. Look at that sexy waffle.
Oh,
CJ,
nice.
come look at this waffle. That look good? No?
It's not even fat.
It's not fat?
I can eat that for food. And it's so crispy, and my face been on too.
Someone took a big, I don't know how that felt. Looking at the sideways, body on too.
Mommy!
That's his favorite song, and he did not make that up. He is lying to y'all. That's Post Malone song and
No, that's my song. Get his
Ray
song.
Trimmer. Needless to say, I keep in a check. She was all back now, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Fresh at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Every time we get in the car, CJ won't play that song. Mommy, can you put on Sunflower? Oh, this is so perfect, y'all. Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on, wait. Let me show you from this angle.
Chef
Oh, yes,
queen.
ma'am. Oh, yes.
Girl.
That looks amazing. Look at that presentation
good.
right there.
That's a
CJ is
good
about to try mommy's
presentation.
chicken
Come
and
on,
tell me how it
boo-boo.
tastes. Go ahead.
So cute.
What?
Okay.
It's good?
My ain't a little hot sauce.
You need a little hot sauce. Who been giving you hot sauce?
Right?
Right.
Your daddy? The hot sauce downstairs, but you want a little hot sauce? I don't know, y'all. Should I give a 6-year-old hot sauce? I don't know.
No,
I'm not gonna lie. I used to have some hot sauce when I was little.
Okay.
I'm just so happy a teeth
but
coming
I
in.
my teeth now.
I see it. I don't even gotta feel it. I see it fully. Oh my baby, you got disappointment coming up.
Man, I think I'm going to have some rabbit too.
Rabbit tooth? No, your teeth gonna form the way they're supposed to form. You're so beautiful. Sorry, handsome. You are my beautiful child. Legend is sleep, you. But as I was saying, you guys, like I said, I have been seeing a therapist.
He is so silly over there. She's talking seriously, and he making them faces.
And there's nothing wrong with it. It actually helps. I feel like everyone needs it because everybody has some type of trauma or something in their life, and some people, it's very few that don't, but most of us do. Most of us need some type of. We need to talk about it. We need some type of, healing. But to heal, it takes you to first recognize that there's some, there's things you need to heal from. I'm so sorry, y'all. I have, if I sound stuffy, it's because I definitely have a cold. My kids gave it to me. When he came back from Houston, he had a cold. And
Child, it's so hard to be healthy around kids.
so happened
We
the same
know.
day Legend caught a cold before he even came back. So Legend didn't get it from him, but they both had colds at the same time. And then boom, all of a sudden mommy got the chills, sweating, can't sleep. You see what happens when you
Hashtag mom life.
get sick and mommy take care of y'all? It's okay. I'm supposed to take care of you guys.
Look at his face.
Hey, that's cold, Mommy.
Sorry, my head's cold. But let me see. Is there anything else I need to update you guys on? Oh, if you guys haven't seen it already, I'm on a couple of flyers for some shows. One in October, one in November. Could you stop smacking?
Not only is he smacking, he flinching. It's hilarious. He's so funny.
Like that in my ear? Close with your, chew with your mouth closed.
He think
You
it's
so
funny.
silly. Close it, chew with your mouth closed. But yeah, I got some pretty good performances coming up, and that's why I need to work on my craft. Like I was telling you guys in the beginning of this video. That was how I made my chicken and waffles. It was simple, not too much going on.
Bomb, girl.
Oh, my nose is running out. I need some tissue.
That's good for you.
Child, if Queen open up a food truck, I'm going, because that look good.
I don't have to. You can eat. Oh, also you guys, my fitness journey. Am I still going to the gym? Yes. I just don't always show it on camera now. I don't
So you
make
do always
Instagram. Not all the time. I don't always show it on Instagram. But I'm still going to the gym with Corey. Not every day, but to maintain. But I still have a few pounds I want to lose. But I'm still going to the gym, y'all. And I recently just did a cleanse. I tried the 3-day cleanse from him. And let me tell y'all, it is super... Yo, it works, okay? For the people that really stick with it, it works. And for the ones that don't really stick with it, you still lose some pounds. I personally dropped 2 pounds the first day that I did it. The second day, I got through, but I snuck some almonds, and because I felt crazy.
Look at CJ.
I tried to go to sleep, and I woke up in the middle of the night and had a panic attack, y'all. And I don't, like,
Aww.
I haven't had panic attacks in a very, very long time, but I feel like it's a mixture of, like, first of all, I never just not fed myself. Like, I never went the whole day without eating. I completely didn't mentally prepare myself to do that cleanse. And sometimes food is our way of comfort throughout the day.
That's
so,
true.
you know, sometimes we eat emotionally and don't even know it. But I feel like that, in a combination of everything that's been, like, just building up and going on, like, I had a panic attack. And, like, usually I just kind of, I mean, not kind of, I have to pray about it. I pray, and God usually comforts me, but I definitely,
that's the most important thing.
feel like it part of that was a cleanse. So I did not make it to the 3rd day. Yeah, period. Just having a little heart to heart with y'all, Queena. I probably won't be. Oh, that's what I want to say. I made a post on my Instagram the other day. I just keep talking. I made a post on my IG, and I was like, you guys, I really miss doing YouTube vlogs. Like, should I go back to vlogging, or, like, in the poll was no, be an artist, and then it was you can do both. Like 64% people said, or 94% people said you can do both. A lot of people just want to see more of my artist side before I even come back to this, because I guess they really just want to see me, like, elevate on that side, which I completely understand, you guys. So I'm not, you know what I'm saying. But
you know, her latest video that I filmed, y'all go watch it, my first solo. Yeah, she did really good, like, doing the vlogging as an artist when she was doing a Capitol photo shoot and everything. That's all we wanted to see, you know what I'm saying? And it's combining her artistry and vlogging. And sometimes, you know, she might think that we're not interested in that, but we absolutely are, Queen. And therefore, you don't have to get any content. You just vlog what you're doing for work, and it's that.
at the same time, once I do come back, like I said, it will be I feel like it would be like vlog style, but more like in the life of QUEENNAIJA's career and that kind of stuff. I need somebody to vlog me. Although I love holding the camera and just talking to it, it's just like, so I wanted to definitely be like showing you guys a little bit more like professional.
I keep looking at CJ. He always doing something. It's funny.
If that makes sense. I don't know. Tell me, guys. I mean, tell me what y'all think. What y'all want?
No,
what y'all want from the Queen?
We love
for sure. Y'all will be getting the Royal Family videos back. I know the last thing we did was vacation. We had such a good time. Such a good time, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. I can't wait to go on our next vacation, whatever. But yeah, I'm out, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this life update and / cooking video. I hope y'all tell y'all mamas and y'all bald-headed grannies and y'all pot-belly daddies to watch QUEENNAIJA.
First of all, neither
even though
mine or neither.
I'm sorry, you guys,
Thank you.
but hopefully, you know, you guys pass it over. You guys watch it. Yeah. It's time to go wipe off my makeup. This is all for today. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram. Go follow me on IG and Twitter, but mostly IG for those Savage X Fenty posts, because y'all girl be
okay, spokesperson.
Also got a video shoot coming up on the 24th. I don't know if I should. It's a feature, and very soon, y'all. Yeah, I'ma just.
Y'all just look at CJ.
Stop right there. Y'all need to appreciate me as a mystery. Peace out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Notable Squad.
Patty, I've been running steady. 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 Patty, I've been running steady.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us 100K, please. We're trying to go up there. Thank you, Petty fans.